In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a product URL in Shopify in 2025 quickly and easily. Whether you're managing a bustling online store or just getting started, knowing how to customize your product URLs is essential. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, and you'll see just how straightforward it is. Let's dive in. First, you need to open your Shopify admin panel. Head over to your browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the homepage of your store's admin area. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your Shopify store. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar where you'll see the products option. Click on that and it will bring up a list of all the products you have listed in your store. This list is where you can manage everything from inventory to pricing for each product. Once you're viewing your list of products, the next step is to select the specific product for which you want to change the URL. Click on the product name and this will take you to the product editing page. Here you have access to all the details of your product, but what we're interested in right now is the search engine listing preview. Scroll down until you find the section titled Search Engine Listing Preview. This is where you'll find the current URL and other metadata for your product that is visible to search engines and customers. On this panel, look for the small pencil icon which stands for Edit. Click this icon to proceed to the next step. Now that you're in edit mode, you're ready to make changes to the URL handle. The URL handle is simply the last part of the web address that uniquely identifies your product page. Carefully type in the new URL handle you want, making sure it's clear, concise, and ideally related to the product. Remember, a clean and descriptive URL not only looks better, but can also help with SEO. After you've typed in your desired URL, it's time to save your changes. At the top right of the page, you should see the Save button. Clicking this button will ensure that your changes are updated across Shopify's system, securing your new product URL. And that's it, you've successfully changed the product URL in Shopify. This new URL is now live and will be reflected in the way search engines and customers encounter your product page. Remember, keeping URLs clean and descriptive not only aids in navigation, but can significantly enhance the discoverability of your products online. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.